Hi, this is the first section of notes for chapter 9. Actually, because of all the craziness in the week that you guys didn't go to school, there is no more chapter 9. So it's just chapter 9, section 1. So this is it for chapter 9, and then we'll do a mastery assessment. So, and the beginning of this is going to seem like we've already done it. And those of you who had class last semester, you did do it. But so really quickly, we're going to be estimating a population proportion. So, and we've kind of talked about this before, but just to clarify what we're talking about, let's suppose, because this is example 1, suppose that you want to estimate how many adult Americans believe that the amount of federal income tax that they pay is too high. So we're talking about all adult Americans. You want to figure out how many of them think that they pay too much in taxes. Well, we've talked about this before. It is unreasonable to think that you could survey the entire adult American population. You can't do that. So instead, we choose a sample of adult Americans to arrive at an estimate. And that estimate is what we call a point estimate, and that is p-hat. So we've already done p-hat before. Oh, that is not p-hat. Let's see, where did I put p-hat? Oh. Well, you guys know what p-hat is. I'll just write it down. P-hat is x over n, where x is the number of people in the sample with the required characteristic, and n is your sample size. So in this case, let's say I surveyed 2,000 people. That would be my n value. And if 1,128 of them said that they felt like they paid too much in taxes, that would be the people who have the required characteristics, so 1,128 of them. So p-hat, my point estimate, would be 1,128 over 2,000, which then you would find as a decimal, and you could also write it as a percent. So that is a point estimate, and that is where this section starts. So I told you this first part would be very easy. So that's all I'm going to do for this first bit, and then go to the next video and you will learn a little bit more.